In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to save contacts from Google Sheets into Google Contacts so you can keep all your important details organized. First, open your Google Sheet where your contact data is stored. This could be a list of names, emails, or phone numbers. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Google Contacts icon. This will open a side panel inside Google Sheets. Once the panel appears, click on Create Contact. This opens a form where you can enter the details. Now, go back to your sheet and copy the contact information like name, email, or phone number. Paste each detail into the correct fields in the contact form. Take a moment to make sure everything is accurate before saving. Once you're done, click Save and the contact will be added to your Google Contacts instantly. If you have more contacts, just repeat the same process for each one. And that's it. With this simple method, you can quickly move your contact data from Google Sheets into your address book. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.